xauusd, that is gold USD chart, market is retracing right now as expected. Look at how the market moved from here upward, retracement, impulsive move. Market make a drastic move to the downside, and right now market is retracing this very impulsive move because market broke out of this very level of important support. I'll be talking about all of this in this video, and the reason why you need to pay attention to the market retracing all the way to the upside before continuation back down. All of this in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that forex content. Gold USD 1-day chart. I talked about the market coming all the way to the downside, and that is exactly the same thing we see on the chart. Market move all the way from here to the downside, and right now there is a retracement coming in for this very impulsive move that we just see in the market. So retracement is needed before continuation to the downside, because I still believe that the market have capacity of coming back down, approaching this very level of important support. And this is what I am personally looking at, because here we see a very strong level of consolidation, and the market broke out with this very candle. Not only that, we see when the market was coming back to the downside for this very impulsive move right here, market pause right here, approaching the same level of important resistance, which was now support at this very point. What I am looking at is the market to retrace right now. Market is going to retrace and then come back down to test this very level of important support right at this very point on gold. This is what I am expecting right now before the market is going to continue all the way to the upside. So pay attention to market retracing right now. To further look at this very retracement, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market is at oversold condition right now. So at oversold condition, what I am expecting right now is for the market to come out of the oversold condition, crossing the 20% line right at this dotted line, and then once you see that, it's a confirmation that the market is going to continue this retracement all the way to the upside, and that is what you must have to pay attention to right now if you are a gold trader. Market is going to move up. What that also means is that if you are in a sell position all the way from this area to the downside for a counter trend trade, it is good for you to exit your position for profit, because market is going to move upward before continuation back down. That means exiting your position right here or before now will be a nice idea to do, because after the market retrace, it's going to give another sell opportunity for the market to come back all the way to the downside. And that is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart looks so good right here. Market is going to go all the way upward, and that is what I am paying attention to. Look at it right here. Market come back down. We have this consolidation. Market breakout, come back down. We have retracement. Market come back down. Impulse, retracement, impulse, and then retracement right here. Right now, market has broken this very level of important resistance. Look at this resistance right at this very point. Market has broken it, okay, and it has created a new high, higher than the high we see right here, which was the last high before the market created this very low at this point. So what that means is market is going to move up slightly, in my opinion, and then come back down for retracement on the 4-hour chart before continuation. So you can simply put market is going to still move upward. Remember, on the 1-day chart, I'm looking at retracement to the upside. So this move is going to continue like this, okay? And then from this point where the market is right now of $2,625 to this very area of $2,655, within this very zone, expect retracement to come into the market, okay, before continuation in line with the 1-day chart, because the 1-day chart is still going to move upward. So from this top-down analysis, pay attention to markets retracing within this very zone on the 4-hour chart to the downside, and continuation in line with what we are seeing on the 1-day chart. This is very important right now. If you are a gold trader, don't miss out on this very technical outlook. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market is already at overbought condition. So at overbought condition, it means that the market has overbuy at this very point. And what that means is market is going to very soon come all the way back to the downside on this very point. And for that to happen, we need to see the market to move down, okay, for a retracement, then continuation upward in line with the 1-day chart. So what we need to wait for right now is for the market to cross over, okay, on the blue line and the orange line, cross over each other. Once we see that and it comes back down and go below this very level of 80% line on the stochastic RSI indicator from the overbought condition, then this means that the market is about to make this turn downward. And this is very, very important right now on this very chart. And this is what you need to pay attention to, because it's very important for the market to retrace. So what retracement does in the market is it gives the market enough strength to move for the next impulse. For example, in this case, market retracement is going to give the next impulsive move enough strength to move all the way to the upside, which is very, very normal in the market. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. From this very zone, market is going to retrace before continuation. And on the 1-day chart, pay attention to the market moving all the way to the upside for a good retracement from this very point. Then continuation is going to come into the market afterward. And if you are a gold trader, keep your eye on this, because it's going to play out. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching.